Alright, this is a quick video to show you how to schedule tweets using TweetDeck. So you come up and click New Tweet, and I'm going to come over here to this Google Sheet that we have and copy the text of a tweet that I need to schedule up. And then I'm going to come down to this schedule bar, and it's going to push down a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and look over at the sheet and say, okay, I need to schedule it at 6 o'clock on the day of the chat. So I'm going to say 6 o'clock. And I'm going to pick Tuesday the 17th. It's coming up. Make sure that it's PM, because sometimes, depending on the time of day that you're entering this, it can default to AM or PM. And then I'm going to come up here and say tweet at September 17th. And once I've done that, it should show up in this column. Sometimes it doesn't show up until the next one is entered, so I'm going to go ahead and drop another in. We'll drop this in for 7:30. It's a 30-minute warning. Make sure it's still on the same day. I'll go ahead and push this one out. And just for the sake of time, I'm going to refresh this. See if those two tweets show up. They'll show up just like this. If you need to make an edit, you can always click Edit, come back and alter anything that needs to be changed, and then click Tweet again, and it'll update itself here as well.